Hello students, I am Tawade sir here. Uh, Welcome you for this online teaching system. I am going to deliver a lecture, or in fact I am preparing a video for you based on the topic Runge Kutta fourth order method. Already fourth unit I have started, and the fourth unit is mainly divided into two subsections, ordinary differential equations and partial differential equations. So in ordinary differential equations we have covered two methods, that is one is Euler method and another one is the Runge Kutta method. Runge Kutta method theoretical portion already I taught you. In that one again second order and fourth order methods are there. We have solved one example on second order method. So now I will take an example on fourth order method. Runge Kutta fourth order method. Runge Kutta fourth order method. For solving the problems on Runge Kutta fourth order method, we should know the initial values, x0, y0 initial values, and then h, that is the step size. H is called as the step size, and then you should also know, or you can calculate n, that is number of iterations, so that we can calculate the value of yz. Okay. So it is somewhat similar to second order method, but there are changes in the formulas. So I will write the important formulas, 4 important formulas you should remember for solving the examples on Runge Kutta fourth order method. So the formulas are, I will write the formulas first here. K1, first one is the K1. K1 equal to y into f of x0 comma y0, and then second K2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2, and here y0 plus k1 by 2. Next for K3, h into f of x0 plus h by 2, and here y0 plus k2 by 2. And for calculating K4, we have to use the formula h into f of x0 plus h and y0 plus k3. So in second order method we were calculating only K1 and K2. So what are these K1 and K2 values? These are the weights. So here you have to calculate, for fourth order method you have to calculate 4 weights, that is K1, K2, K3 and K4. And then you have to calculate the K value, that is K equal to, you will have a formula 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. So this is the formula to be used for calculating the value of K. So K is not the average. Students make a mistake. Many times we have seen that after calculating K1, K2, K3 values, what students will do, they will take the average of these 4 values. No, it is not the average. You have to remember this particular formula. K equal to 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4 value. Okay. Now you will take one example so that we will solve an example. It will be more clear to you. So the given function is here, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square. Here he has given the given values of initial values, that is x and y values are x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and he is asking you to find y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. This is the question. So now we will solve this. So what is the given function here? Given function is f of xy is equal to dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square. So this is the given function. So first of all, you write down the values of initial values. There is x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 0. This is given. Okay, and then you have to calculate the n value, that is number of iterations. So for calculating n value, you should know the step size. Here he has not mentioned the step size, but by observing the problem you can find that he is asking us to find out the 0.2 and then 0.4 values. It means that h difference of these two is h equal to 0.2. So you can take this step size as, consider the step size as h as 0.2. So now therefore n is equal to xg minus x0 divided by h. So what is xg value here? Xg is 0.4 you can take, minus x0 is 0 and h value is 0.2. So this is the final value. Xg, that is 0.4, is the final value and initial value is 0 divided by 0.2. So you will get this as n equal to 2. N equal to 2. So this is the number of iterations. We'll start with the first iteration, iteration 1. Iteration 1. In each iteration, what you need to do? In each iteration, you need to calculate the values of k1, k1, k2, k3, k4 and k values, and then we can find out the value of y. So in first iteration, start with now k1, find out the value of k1. K1 will be equal to, what is the formula? Here written the formula, y into f of x0 into y0. Y into this you have to write h, it is not y, is actually this is h. H into f of x0 y0. That is step size. So h into f of x0 y0. So this is h into, what is f of xy? Here he has given the f of xy is nothing but the dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square. So here you can write as 1 plus, in place of x you can write x0, in place of y you can write y0 square. This is the given function, 1 plus y square. So it becomes 1 plus y0 square. Now substitute the values. H value is how much? 0.2 into 1 plus y0. Y0 value is how much? Initial value, that is 0. He has given 0. Then it means therefore this becomes 0 square. So this is 1 into 0.2. It will become k1 value will be 0.2. K1 equal to 0.2. So now we will calculate k2. K2. So what is the formula for K2? K2 equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus k1 by 2. That is k1 is nothing but the previous value. So now here h into f of x0, what is the initial value? x0 is 0 plus h is 0.2 divided by 2 and y0, what is y0? y0 is, the initial value is 0 plus k1. K1 you have calculated just now. So what is the value of k1? K1 on value is 0.2. Therefore you have to take it as 0.2 divided by 2. Therefore now this becomes h into f of 0.2 by 2. 0 plus 0.2 divided by 2. So we will get the answer as 0.1. So we will get here as 0.1, and here also we will get as 0.1. 0.1 and 0.1. So these are the values now. So what is your function? Given function is h into f of 1 plus. For given function is 1 plus y square, na? 1 plus y square. Therefore, you can write in the like this, h into 1 as it is, y becomes y square. So here h is 0.2, h value is 0.2 into 1 plus, what is the value of y here? See here, what you have calculated the value of x, and here y, x0, y0. That is, here you have calculated 1 plus 0.1. Therefore 0.2 into 0.2 into 1.1. So you will get answer as 0.22. K2 equal to. Now again K3 value, similarly K3 value. So K3 will be equal to what is the formula for K3? K3 equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus K2 by 2. So here h into f of x0 plus h by 2 becomes how much? x0 plus h by 2 will become 0 plus again 0.2 by 2, and y0 is 0 plus K2 value what you got it as 0.22 divided by 2. Therefore this will become h into f of, this is again, this becomes 0.2 divided by 2 equal to 0.1. This will become 0.1, and here 0.11. These are the values of these values you have to use for calculating. Therefore this, now you can substitute h is 0.2, f of what is the value of, what is the function? Function is 1 plus y square. So in the place of y you have to substitute this value. So therefore this becomes 0.2 into 1 plus y square. Y square value is 0.11 square. Therefore this is equal to 0.2 into 1 plus 0.11 square. So this will become 1 plus 0.0121. So this will be, now you will get value as 0.20204. This is the value of K3. So similarly you have to calculate value of K4. See, one minor mistake we have done here, that is in while calculating K2 value you have taken the value of y, but you have to square it. You are not squared here, so this should be square. So you should make it as square. 1 plus 0.1 square. So if you make it as 1 plus 0.1 square, then you will get the answer as, it will not get at 0.22. You will get here as 0.202. And here also you would 0.202 you have to use here. So here it will become 0.202 divided by 0.202 divided by 2. 0.101. Here 1 point, here you will get 101, 101. Okay, so here you want to make it as 101 square. 101 square. Square. If you square it, 0.101 square, you will get it as 0.010102 will get 0. And you calculate now. This is 1 plus 0.0102 into 2. You will get 0.20204. Now it is correct. Similarly, you have to calculate value of K4. K4 equal to, what is the value of K4? K4 equal to H into F of X0 plus H, and again here Y0 plus K3 value. So now here H is 0.2, F of X0 plus H, X0 plus H means this is 0, again this is 0.2, and again Y0 is 0 plus K3 value is 0.20204. Okay, so now 0.2 into 1 plus, this you will get 0.2, and this is 0.20204. So now this is 0.2 into 1 plus y square. Instead, at the place of y, you have to use this value. This is x value, this is y value. Therefore, this is 0.2 into 1 plus y value is 0.20204 square. Now calculate it. So 0.20 0.20204 square plus 1 into 0.2. So you will get this answer as 0.20816. 0.20816. So this is the value of K4. So now you need to calculate the value of K. That is, K is equal to 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 6. Substitute the values now, K1, K2, K3, K4 values. So K1 value was how much? K1 value was 0.2 plus 2 into K2. K2 value was 0.202 plus 2 into K3. K3 value what it has 0.20204. This is K3 plus K4. K4 value was you got as 0.208164. So now we calculate this. So after calculating, we will get the answer as I have done it in the calculator now here. So you are going to get K as K equal to 0.2027. So this is the K value. So now in the question, if you see the question, in the question he asked you to find out the value of, find y of 0.2 and y of 0.4. So now you calculate the values of K1, K2, K3, K4 and K when for y of 0.2. So now you can calculate yz. Yz equal to how much? Y0 plus K. So y0 has given 0 plus K value is now 200204. 2027. So this is equal to how much? 2027. 0 plus 2027 is point, it is 0.2027. This is the value of yg. So what is the meaning of this yg value? Here separately I will write and I will explain you. He has asked us to find out the values of y of 0.2. So what is the meaning of this y of 0.2? It means in the bracket whatever written, this is the x value actually. This is the x value, xg equal to 0.2 and yg equal to how much? What is its meaning? So when x value is 0.2, what is the value of y value? If the step size is h equal to 0.2, step size is 0.2. Initial values he has given x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 0. So if the initial values are 0, 0 and step size is 0.2, and then what is the value of y when x equal to 0.2? So whatever you have calculated here, this is the value of y when x is 0.2. Now the second point, that we will, for the second point we will get answer in second iteration. Now second iteration. So for second iteration, what are the values of x and y now here for second iteration? Means previous iteration values you have to use. So now here, what are the previous iteration values now? x1 here, x1. x0 equal to, you treat this as x0 equal to x1. You have to add the step size. That is our x0, x1. x0 equal to x1, that is equal to 0, initially 0 plus step size is 0.2. Therefore you got it as now 0.2. Now y0, y of 0.2 you already have calculated, so that will become your y0 values. y0 equal to y1 equal to y0 equal to y1 equal to, that you take it as 0.2027. So these values you have to use for the next second iteration now. So now here you calculate now again k1, k2, k3, k4 values. k1, now k1, you start with k1 value. k1 equal to h into f of x0 and y0. This is our standard formula. So k1 equal to h is 0.2 and f of xy, what is our formula? 1 plus y square means y0 square. Therefore this will become 0.2 into 1 plus y0 value. What is the value of y0 here? Here I have written y0 equal to y1 equal to this value. So therefore 0.2027 square. So you calculate it. So you calculate, done here. So you will get answer as 0.2082. This is the value of k1. Next k2. k2 equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k1 by 2. I am writing all steps in detail. It is not required. You just write the formula and then substitute the values and calculate. If you skip 1 or 2 steps and if you write the answers, then also it is okay. But your answer should be correct. So here k2 equal to h into x0 plus h by 2. x0 is 0, h is 0.2 by 2. It means you will get this value as 1. Okay. And then y0. What is the value of y0 here? y0 means here 0.2027 plus k1 by 2. What is the value of k1 by 2? What is the value of k1? K1 value you have calculated here. So this will become 0.2082 divided by 2. So we will get here as h into 1 and it is, you will get this as 0.2082 divided by 2 plus 0.2027. So you will get this as 0.3068. So now what is the function? H into 1 plus y square is the function. 1 plus y square is a given function. So here there is no x value, so give it 1, keep it as it is, and then there is no x means no need to substitute the value of 1 here. So y value is here, this is the y value, so you have to substitute this y value 3068. Therefore this is equal to h is 0.2 into 1 plus 0.3068, it's a square. So you will get answer as 0.2188 or K2. Okay, this K2. Again we need to calculate now K3 value. I will write here K3 equal to what is the formula? H into f of x0 plus h by 2, and here y0 plus previous value K2 divided by 2. Again here substitute the values, h into f of x0 is 0, h is 0.2 divided by 2 again, and y0 was 0.2027 plus K2 value. What is the value of K2? K2 we got it as 0.2188 divided by 2. Okay, so now this is equal to h into f of this, you will get it as 1 0.1, and here y0 plus K2 by 2. So here you will get 0.2188 divided by 2 plus 0.2027. So you will get here as 0.3121. So now h into f of x and y values. So your given function is 1 plus y square. So at the place of y you have to use this value 3121. So therefore h is 0.2 into 1 plus y is 0.3121 square. So you calculate here so you are given to get the answer as K3 value we get as here I have done in calculator, you can see 0.2194, 0.21948, 0.21948, or you can make it as nearly equal to 0.2195. This is the K3 value. Next, last value, that is go for K4. K4 equal to, again you have the formula h into f of x0 plus h and y0 plus K3. This is equal to h into f of 0 plus h is 0.2, y0 you take it as 0.2027 plus K3 is again 0.2195. Therefore here it will become h into f of 0.2, and this is 0.42218. So now the given function is 1 plus y square, therefore h into 1 plus y square again. So in place of y, what you have to use? This value, whatever you have calculated here. Therefore this will become h equal to 0.2 into 1 plus y square. Y square is 0.42218 square. Therefore this is equal to so we will get the answer as K4 equal to 0.2. You will get the answer. You have calculated in calculator. You can see here 0.2356, 0.2356, 0.2356, 3564. This is K4. Now we calculate the value of K. K equal to 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. So therefore this is equal to 1 by 6 into K1. What is the value of K1? K1 value was 0.2082. 2082. You can refer the previous sheets, whatever you have here. This is 2082. K2 plus K2 is 2 into K2 value 0.2188 here, 0.2188, 0.2188 plus 2 into K3 value is here 2195, 0.2195 plus K4 is 0.23564. So we calculate this. Okay, so after calculating you will get it as 0.2200. This is the value of K. So now you need to calculate Y of 0.4. That means when x is equal to 0.4, x is equal to 0.4, what is the value of y? How much? So now whatever you have calculated here, y up to these k values, now here you have to y is equal to y0 plus k. So this k, whatever you have calculated, you will add to this. So you will get y0 plus k. So y0 values for the second iteration you got it as 0.2027, right? 0.2027 plus k value is this one, 0.2200. So this is equal to, you will get the answer as add both, you will get 0.4227. So this is your final answer. This is the final answer. So initially he has given, once again the final answer I will explain. X0 equal to 0 he has given, Y0 equal to 0 he has given, and step size he has given 0.2, and he asked us to calculate y of 0.2 equal to how much and y of 0.4 equal to how much, and the given function was dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square. There is no any x term in the given function. So by using these initial values, what you have done, first you have calculated the number of iterations. There are 2 iterations. Step size is 0.2, means initially it is x and y values are 0 0, and in the first iteration what will happen, you have to add this step size. First step size, in first step, that is x equal to 0.2, y equal to 0.2, you have got the answer, and in the second step again you have to add 0.2 plus 0.2 means it becomes 0.4. So when x is equal to 0.4, what is the value of y? This was the question. So in first iteration we got the answer for x, when x equal to 0.2 we got the answer for y, and in second iteration we got the answer for y when x value is 0.4. This is the final answer. Okay, thank you.